Hi, Katie. How do I help my child? Why aren't they walking yet? I always look at the vision and make sure that the vision's not turning. Sorry, I've been having Wi-Fi issues, so I stall and go back. The main reason why your child's having trouble walking is they don't have what I call or referred to as a pubic bone strike. That should have happened at 4.5 months. She's had deviations in her development, right? I don't think her crawl was great. She didn't come to sitting from her back, go into all fours and go into crawl. She's more of a child that rolls over to her belly and gets up and pushes off. You can see the way that she gets up and down off the window. So I would do my pre-standing, pre-walking course. What are you looking for? Here, let me come back here. So what you're looking for when a child is not, in your case, Katie, right? She's off her pubic bone. I'm going to try and change this just a little bit here, but she's off her. That's just my laptop. Ugh. I don't want my whole thing to fall down. Anyway, I don't have all my devices here. So she should be getting up and doing this kind of movement, going from the floor and going up. So the pubic bone's there. She's doing this kind of thing, and she's sort of sliding down, and then her crawl is a bit off. So everything that she's doing, she's no weight through here. Our pubic bone into our pelvis should almost be like a boat going through a water. I need to do this review of Jeremy Reimer coming back from his therapy, and everybody's looking at the gait, right? But nobody's looking at that his pubic bone is falling throughout his therapies, right? And so when I'm walking, right, I should have this nice pubic bone going through, and through the back it's the coccyx, right? And so when I go to do these things, or if I go to climb on the bed, right, you should be seeing these kind of movements. And she's getting up from behind, holding it from behind and going off that way. And with that, she's not getting a pubic bone strike, so she should be going along the couch and then all of a sudden taking a step. And so that's why she's not going into a walk. Her pelvis is just too heavy for her system to do it. I get it, she's cognitive and she's going around, but these are the little deviations that she's had during her development, and they're really showing up in her conversation. And that's what you're looking for. And so the pre-standing, pre-walking course, it'll show you how to work more with that pubic bone strike. Again, it should have happened at 4.5 months. It didn't, but we need to reinforce that with her, and that's what you're looking for. And hi, Sarah, how are you? I can't believe we're on the same island at the moment. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.